Ladies and gentlemen. Very happy running car, the 1903 Thomas Model 18 Tonneau. Well, Thomas were undoubtedly one of the great names in the early days of the American car industry. Around the world trip in 1907 was not only an incredible achievement, but an escapade that really has kept the name in American folklore with all metalheads ever since. This car represents the sort of genus of the out-of-bound thinking that the company had, with a sturdy, reliable, single-cylinder car. Runs incredibly sweetly, as you can tell. It's got a proper sliding 3-speed transmission, and it's ably capable of filling up those seats and driving along at good, proper speed. Beautifully turned out, very nice restoration, and it is of course eligible for the Bonham's London Brighton run each November, which many of the members of the team will be on, including myself. We do have several links that advises you that the car is type number, it's engine number 645, which is the correct engine number for the car, and this doesn't have a chassis number. Extremely nice example. Where should we start this? Well, I'm going to say straight in, 150,000 is asking here, 150,000 for the Thomas at 150,000. Lots of car for that money, 150,000 it is. 150,000, 150, 160,000, 160,000. 170,000 in line at 170,000. May I say 80 please? 170,000. May I say 80 somewhere? 170,000. Super car for that at 170,000. You're going on. London to Brighton eligible. Lots of space. 170,000. Let's say more. Let's say 80 somewhere please. $170,000. You want 80? 180,000. Thank you now. 180,000. 190,000. 190,000 now. 190,000. 190,000 gets you. 190,000. We call it 200 somewhere. 190,000. 190,000 only. $190,000. Can I say two somewhere, please? 190,000. Am I off the floor? 190,000. Steve, how about this for you? 190,000. London to Brighton car? No, not for you. It's because it's called a Thomas. There you go. $190,000. Is there any more? No. 190,000. I'll take that day for $190,000 and I offered more. Last call to you all. 190? Not enough, I'm afraid. Come and see us afterwards, please. Sure, we'll get that done.